Hey there, I'm Chef Ani. Today we are making a fantastic avocado black bean dish. You can serve it a couple of different ways. If I wanted to look a little fancier, I will serve it in an avocado. But if you don't have a lot of time, you can just toss it all together in a bowl, and that looks beautiful too. This is a dish that we serve a lot at our house. It is nutritious, delicious, and beautiful. Avocado, of course, is very nutrient dense, and the black beans are high in both protein and fiber. So enough talking, let's get cooking. This morning as I was setting up for this video, I actually was passing the window and I looked out and he was helping himself to the entire bag of sunflower seeds. Every year we feed the birds, but we actually feed more squirrels than we do birds. So all these squirrels are working really hard to get the sunflower seeds out of the bird feeders, while this guy just went straight to the source and ate right out of the bag. So I have some black beans here, which we have rinsed really well. And it's important to rinse the beans until the water coming off the beans is clear in color. Otherwise, you'll get kind of this gray kind of look to your salad, which is definitely not what we want. Just a little bit of water. Next, we're going to add some seasoning. Some cumin, a little onion and garlic powder, a pinch of cayenne, and last but not least, a little salt. And now we're going to heat it up. We've had some really strange weather here in New Hampshire the last few days. This past week, it was the second coldest place on Earth. Here it reads, the temperature atop New Hampshire's Mount Washington ended up at a pretty astonishing -36 degrees, making it one of the coldest places on the planet. And to make matters even worse, the wind chill reached about 94 degrees below zero. As the Boston Globe pointed out, it would have felt colder on the mountain than on the surface of Mars. The moment you step out into the frozen air on the way up Mount Washington, the icy wind steals your breath and freezes your eyelashes. You can't blink. The cold stabs your face and numbs your earlobes to rubber. Welcome to New Hampshire. I've actually been to the top of Mount Washington several times, and it is quite beautiful up there. So windy and cold, in fact, that the icicles don't stick down like in normal places. They stick straight out. Once you have cooked the beans and drained them, we're going to work with an avocado. That is one beautiful avocado. Next, we're going to just scoop out a little bit of the avocado to make more room for the filling. And we're going to put that extra avocado in the blender because that's going to go into our dressing. Next, we're going to add a little cilantro and coconut milk. This will make it really creamy. Fresh lime juice and a little bit of garlic. And last, we're going to add a little salt. Blend till smooth. This last week I got so excited because some of you sent me some pictures. Some of you made the onion rings and the pretzels. Those look amazing. Thank you so much for sharing with me when you tried the recipes. It really just brightens my day. Now we're going to cut up some tomatoes. So you can either use a sweet onion or a red onion. Next we're going to add some fresh cilantro and fresh lime juice. Sprinkle with a little salt. Now we want to stir it very gently so we don't squish all our vegetables. And the last thing we want to add is the black beans. So now we're going to assemble our dish. Look how beautiful that is. And I can't hardly wait to eat it because it looks so fantastic. That is so absolutely delicious. That is a showstopper right there. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to join me in this adventure to eat healthier, one recipe at a time. And I look forward to seeing you next Wednesday with another video. Mama, you have to try this. Huh? Huh? He is literally still sitting there.